There are many ingredients on the market that can help you reach a brighter, more unified complexion, from vitamin C to hydroquinone, niacinamide, and more. The list goes on. But have you heard of Arbutin, a new safer alternative? Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Beauty Talks with Rachel. On this show, we dive deep into everything related to skincare in order to help you perfect your routine and get a healthy, radiant complexion. In today's episode, we will uncover the amazing ingredient that is Arbutin. We will dive deep into understanding what it is, its benefits, and how to use it. I will also be talking about a specific range of products that is formulated with this ingredient, so make sure you stick around till the end to learn more. Now, without further ado, let's jump into today's topic. Arbutin, also known as alpha-arbutin, is found in different plants such as cranberry and blueberry. It's a natural derivative of hydroquinone, meaning that it can provide the same benefit but with lesser risks. Arbutin has been around for a while, and a lot of research indicates that it is a safe option for skin brightening. It can be found in numerous skincare products such as creams, lotions, serums, oil, and much more. For that reason, I want to talk about the Precious Perfect family. Formulated with Arbutin, this family is the perfect range to help you brighten your skin, but more on that later. You may have realized by now that the main function of Arbutin is skin brightening. However, it does more than that. Let's elaborate. The way that alpha-arbutin works is by reducing tyrosinase activity, causing a decrease in melanin formation. This will cause the skin to appear lighter in shade and free of dark patches. Since tyrosinase and melanin activity levels have slowed down, the skin will appear brighter and more even. In addition to the previous benefits, Arbutin is known to improve skin texture by increasing elasticity levels, which keeps the skin firm and wrinkle-free. Arbutin can also form a layer on the skin in order to protect it from damaging effects without increasing skin sensitivity. Another great benefit of Arbutin is that it does not dry your skin. In fact, it stabilizes and maintains skin moisture to give your skin a youthful look. Contrary to other skin brightening treatments, Arbutin has been proven to effectively lighten skin without any risk of harming or irritating it. Now let's talk about how you can incorporate Arbutin into your everyday skincare routine. Starting off with your face. In the morning, start by removing your hair out of your face. Next, get the Precious Perfect soap. Run it under the water to create a creamy foam. Then massage it all over your face. The next step after having cleansed your face is treating imperfections. Now, if you deal with hyperpigmentation all over your face, I would recommend you apply a few drops of the Precious Perfect serum to get an even spread of treatment. If you deal with dark spots, give the Precious Perfect Day Dark Spot Remover a go to help you target the specific patches you want to treat. Finish your morning routine with moisturizer like the Precious Perfect Cream and you are ready to start a brand new day. At night, start by removing your makeup before cleansing your face. Then cleanse your face with the soap. Follow that up with either the serum or the night dark spot remover. Finally, finish off with the cream. Moving on to your body. A good body care routine starts in the shower. Run yourself a bath or hop in the shower. Apply a few drizzles of the Precious Perfect Clarifying Shower Gel on a washcloth. Then massage your skin well before rinsing off. Before drying off completely, apply the Precious Perfect Oil to help the skin absorb and maintain moisture. Next, apply the Precious Perfect Lotion to create a protective, hydrating layer on the skin. And there you have it, a complete guide on Arbutin, followed by a step-by-step routine on how to add it into your everyday skincare habits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Take care and hope to see you soon. Bye.